Hi, I'm Teacher Donald. I'm a teacher and a blogger. I'm doing this because I want to help some of my learners, especially my athletes, and some of the competitions that I joined to. If you join and subscribe on my page, your subscription will help me a lot to help the learners and my athletes. And I'm also planning to give 5 to 10 learners monthly allowance. I will select them specially for this subscription. So if you help and subscribe to this channel, uh, there are children who will be helped because of you. And because of that, every month we will have a live video conference together with you, and you will also be you can avail exclusive videos that are only for my subscribers. So please help me, and thank you, and God bless.